welcome back to my channel. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I'm going out of town. Yeah. See you when I get there. Get some food. So it's almost 9 o'clock. We're about to go get dinner at this little sushi bar, and I'm getting ready for that. I just got out of the shower, put my outfit on, about to do my hair, fresh up the curls and stuff, put on jewelry, and just finish getting ready. I'm really not gonna do too much, not doing no makeup, not put my contacts in. I think I'm gonna do a little lip combo to match my outfit. This is what we look like though. And yeah, that's pretty much it, because when we come back, I'm getting in the bed, tired. Alright, so I've accessorized. Yeah, and I'm just about to do my regular, almost everyday lip combo. Black, dark brown, putting it down. I'm not the first that did this though. What's this? Ruby Kisses for the brown gloss, NYX dupe. I need to get some more. I want to leave it like this. I put some lip gloss on it. I'm gonna do the gloss. Yeah. Okay, let me do this head because it's not giving what it needs to give. I wish I had some edge control.
Any eyeliner? No boots on.
I said I look like I'm finna go work at somebody's lounge. This bring me out, so we ain't gonna do too much. Just a little bit.
See y'all there.
Yeah. It's raining, y'all. We all cute in the rain.
CVS, we right here at CVS.
But everybody all cute in the rain, so I ain't even. Ooh. Oh! My whole umbrella is good today. I can't see it. Look what we doing. I'm trying to look at the street and you putting the umbrella in. It's on the left side. It gotta be right here. We just got back to the hotel, about to lay it down. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video here. There is gonna be a part 2. This is just my first day, all that good stuff. I'm gonna be here for another 3 days, another 3 days. So make sure y'all be on the lookout for part 2. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next after all of this, because I really am possibly stuck. And then what else? Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss the next video, and make sure you be on the lookout for that video. I love y'all. Thank you again for watching. Peace.